Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
What is a code red in an ambulance? You've probably heard it in movies or on TV shows, or at dispatcher radios. We have a code red, and the paramedics rush into action. The surprising truth, however, is that for most American ambulance services, there is no official, standardized code red. The term is largely a creation of Hollywood for dramatic effect. Instead of color codes, real-life emergency medical services, or EMS, systems across the United States typically use a priority dispatch system, often with numbers. The most critical, life-threatening calls are usually classified as a priority 1, and the type of response is called a code 3 response. This means the ambulance travels with its lights and sirens activated, giving them the legal right to request right-of-way from other drivers to get to the scene as quickly and safely as possible. So, while the term code red isn't used, the situation it represents is very real. A priority 1 or code 3 call is for the most severe emergencies imaginable: a patient in cardiac arrest, someone who is unconscious and not breathing, a victim of a major car accident with life-threatening trauma, a severe allergic reaction, or a confirmed stroke or heart attack in progress. When a call like this comes in, everything is about speed and efficiency. The crew's goal is to minimize the time from the 911 call to the patient receiving definitive care at a hospital. On scene, paramedics perform immediate life-saving interventions, like CPR, using a defibrillator, administering critical medications, or controlling catastrophic bleeding. The urgency continues during transport to the hospital, which will also be a lights and sirens, code 3 event. During this transport, the paramedics will radio ahead to the receiving emergency room, giving them a detailed report. This is where you might hear a more specific and official type of alert being declared, such as a trauma alert, stroke alert, or STEMI alert for a heart attack. This alert is essentially the hospital's version of a code red, triggering a specialized team of doctors and nurses to assemble in the ER, ready and waiting for the ambulance's arrival. So, to put it simply, a code red in the real world isn't a single phrase, but rather a system of high-priority dispatch and response for the absolute worst medical emergencies where every single second is critical to the patient's survival. We hope this clears up what a code red situation really means for an ambulance crew. If you found this video informative and learned something new, please hit that like button, as it really helps support the channel. For more content that explains the world of emergency services, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never